Kakantahan mo na kita. Once again has come your birthday. Once again the time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy time your birthday. Happy time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Night.
Hello, Naisay. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you more birthdays to come, good health, and be happy always. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nanay Isay. Hope you have many more birthdays to come and more power sa'yo. And stay healthy and enjoy your day. Have fun.
Hi, Nay. Mayong pagsaulog sa imong adlong natawhan. O akong giampo sa Ginoo nga hatagan ka og mayong panglawas permi o taas panglugway sa kinabuhi, Nay, para padayon kang makapagserbisyo pa para sa iya. Salamat sa imong kaayo diri namo o gihigugma ka namo, Nay, kaybaw ka ana. Og basta mo na to love ka lagi na mo. Sabi Nanay Isay, happy birthday again.
Hello Nanay Isay, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa araw na ito. And alam ko naman na si God ay laging nandyan sa'yo. Lagi kang ginagabayan, lagi kang pinoprotektahan. At higit sa lahat, alam ko na si God ay lagi kanyang binibigyan ng lakas sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho.
Hi, thank you so much for being my spiritual mother. You're such a blessing to me, you know. And thank you in spite and despite sa mga struggles and challenges na nararanasan ko. But andyan ka palagi sa likod ko, gumagabay, at saka salamat sa words of encouragement. Salamat sa prayers mo sa akin. Allow me to share with you my favorite verse. Makikita sa 1 Corinthians 15:58, King James Version. It says, "Therefore, my beloved brethren, be ye steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the works of the Lord, for as much as ye know that your labor is not in vain in the Lord." Hallelujah. Thank you so much, Nanay, and be blessed and continue to be a blessing sa karamihan. Thank you so much, Nanay, and happy birthday.
You're a wonderful creation of God, Ate Isay. Wish you all the best. Enjoy spending the half century of your life, praying for half century more. And malipayon nga adlaw nga natawhan sa imo, Ate Isay. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Mommy! I miss you so much. Naalala mo pa ba to? Naalala ko nung lagi tayo nagpupunta sa Quill Mall. At dahil dito, lagi ko tong kasama pagka mag-grocery, mamamalengke, para maalala kita na lagi tayo nasa Quill Mall. Happy birthday! I-enjoy mo lang yung buhay na pinagkaloob sa iyo ng Lord. And I will pray for your health, for your success in your ministry. Nag-i-improve ka ng sumayaw, tapos ang ganda-ganda pa ng buhok mo. I miss you so much. Happy birthday, Mommy. I declare Jeremiah 33 verse 3 sa buhay mo At sabi doon, call unto me and I will do great and mighty things that you do not know. Maraming bagay na hindi natin alam na ibibigay ng Lord para sa atin. Kaya Mami, happy birthday. And sa lahat ng mga C3 family, I miss you all. God bless us all.
Hello, Ate Isay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and always in a good health and keep strong. Huwag matakot. Alam mo na sinong kinatatakutan mo dyan. Pag lumabas, yun. Ingat lagi, Ate Isay. And see you soon. And thank you so much sa concern mo at lagi mong pangungumusta sa akin. I'm fine. And take care always. God is with you. God will never leave us nor forsake us. At whatever the valleys na naharap natin, mountains, struggle, no, si Lord pa rin ay nandyan sa tabi mo, sa tabi ko, sa atin lahat. So always keep praying. Salamat. Always. Salamat. You are the best. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Basta mo na to eh. Love ka lagi na mo. Love you, Nanay Isay. Happy birthday again.
Have fun. I love you.
And happy birthday, Nay. Mwah!
Ay, happy birthday! Isay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy!